Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Clermont, Florida, touring a brand new community called the Sanctuary by KB Home. This neighborhood is all about value and lifestyle, making it a great option if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida. One of the key highlights is location. You're right here in Clermont, surrounded by rolling hills, lakes, and just a short drive to Disney, downtown Orlando, and major highways. They're also working on a new road that will have you in Disney in 10 minutes. KB Home is offering a variety of floor plans here, so whether you're looking for a starter home or something for a growing family or extra space, you'll find plenty of options to personalize. As far as HOA and CDD, the community comes with a low monthly HOA and a CDD fee ranging from about $200 to $250 per month, depending on the lot, which helps covers the cost of the neighborhood's infrastructure and amenities. The Sanctuary is designed for everyday living with nearby shopping, dining, and recreation. Plus, you're in one of the fastest growing parts of Lake County. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the little bell for notifications so you get notified every single time we put a video, and you can also follow us at the Friendly Homes Group on TikTok and Instagram for daily updates on homes in Central Florida. Now let's head inside, check out the model home so you can see yourself what life at the Sanctuary could look like.
All right guys, up first we have Plan 2566, and that is the exact amount of square footage inside of this home. I love how they name their plans. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house, 2 stories with a loft upstairs and a master bedroom that can definitely fit 2 California king beds side by side and make it look like a twin king situation going. Let's go check it out, guys. So here we are when you first walk in. Nice wide hallway, tall ceilings. It doesn't feel tiny, it doesn't feel compressed. The stairs are a little bit tucked off over here, so really nice entryway when you come into the house. Here on this side we have 1 full bedroom, so we have a small bedroom downstairs in this house. If you need it for guests or if you need it for in-law or something like that, you've got a perfect situation here. And right next to this bedroom you have a full bathroom that serves a purpose for both the bedroom downstairs and for your guests as well, and also for when you're down here. Who wants to go upstairs all the time to use the bathroom, right? Right over here, guys, we have the living room here to your right. I like the setup, I like the interior design. I'm a big fan of the trees there in that corner with the uplights. Look at that, huge fan of that, guys. If you've watched any of our other videos, you know that I'm not the biggest fan of the dining table being right over here in between the kitchen and the living room as well, but I'm not gonna beat a dead horse on that, guys. Sometimes this is what they have to do in order to be able to make the floor plan work. Here, what I do like, I love when the kitchen is kind of an L shape because it gives you more counter space, it gives you more cabinet space, and I love the options that you get here with KB Homes. So this is a semi-custom builder. They do take you to the design studio and allow you to pick different combinations here for the house, aside from the structural upgrades that you can make as well. We have the sink right over here. If you watch our other videos, you know that I love me a good sink separated from the island with a window here. And that way, whenever you guys have guests over here, you can have this island all to actually cooking and providing nice hors d'oeuvres or charcuterie boards, or I don't know. What do you cook? What do you like to cook? I like to cook rice and beans. This is random. I like to cook pastas. I like to grill. What do you like to cook? What would you put on this counter? What do you think I would put on this counter, Lenny?
I think Sunday game day food.
Sunday game day food would be nice. Let's take you right back out here really quick. You have a nice patio. This is an extended option. They're doing this to show you what it would look like. The standard option is gonna be about half of this, so it's gonna be about 10 feet or so in width here. But if you get this patio, screen this in, I mean, it's just amazing. The weather feels so good right now too here in Florida. These afternoons have been nice. We're gonna take it on upstairs, guys. First, I wanna show you the garage is right in there, 2-car garage. And then you do have this huge closet here that wraps under the stairwells there on the other side. So let's go check it out upstairs. All right, so upstairs we have this nice, beautiful loft. This is a good space. It's not too small, it's not too big, and I like the way that the stairs look. Like, it would have been so nice to have some like banister rails right over here. It would look really, really nice. Nevertheless, this is the loft right up here, and they do have a design studio, like I said. So things like this carpet, this is elevated carpet down here, and you do have the option to put things like that inside of the home. One nice touch, even though you're looking at the neighbor's roof. But I really like that window right over there. Here's that master that I told you guys about. King size bed, and it looks like it needs some help here on the side. This is a very, very nice size master bedroom right over here. So if master bedroom is a priority for you, this is definitely one of the models to look at. I love how they tuck this off right back here. So we have the master closet in there. And then we have master bathrooms tucked off right over here. For those of you that want homes with bathtubs, this is the place to look at right over here. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, guys, so back over here, we have 2 bedrooms here to your left. The laundry right over here. And then we have a full bathroom.
Want to see the newest homes, the hottest deals, and real estate updates in Central Florida before anyone else? We share quick daily updates on TikTok and Instagram so you never miss an opportunity. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Follow us now for insider tips, community spotlights, and the kind of deals that could be your next big move. You can find us on TikTok or Instagram by searching Friendly Homes Group. We hope you have an amazing day. Now let's get back to the action.
Next, guys, we have the plan 1707. Let's go check this one out. Actually, there's some things about it that I love, some things about it that are not my favorite. When you first walk in, guys, you have 2 bedrooms here and a bathroom in between them. This is fine. I have no quarrels with this right over here. A full bathroom here, and they have it the way that it should be. Sometimes they take out the bathtub for ADA compliance so wheelchairs can roll in. I thought this was one of them. Here you have bedroom number 2 here in the front of the house. And now one thing I do like is that they have this bedroom tucked off right over here, kind of on its own. Now, this is 1,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, so they are a little bit smaller bedrooms in each one of these. They're about as small as they get. Really quick, want to show you guys the laundry right over here. I really like the functionality of this space right over here. Again, 1,700 square feet for this house, and they squeezed in 4 bedrooms. I like how they put the kitchen right over here. Again, you still have that L shape. Love that they have the sink here. You have the island space, and it doesn't feel too cramped in here whenever you're trying to cook. The only thing is, I wonder if this fridge goes back any further. It looks like it has maybe about 6 inches. It kind of does feel like it's protruding a little bit much there from where it's supposed to be in there. It does look like it has about this much space back there, so it wouldn't be that aggressive there. I love this setup right over here. The living space, kind of feel like they have it pushed back a little more than what most people would here with these chairs. But I'm not an interior designer, I don't know, guys. And then I like how we have this kind of in its own little area. I feel like you could even do a rectangular table in this corner and it wouldn't be a nuisance there. So one thing I don't like is back patio. It's just a piece of concrete back there. It's just a slab and there's no covering there. There's really no point in having that kind of space in Florida if you don't have a cover. You're not gonna be out there sitting on a slab of concrete. Like, literally think about just sitting on a random slab of concrete in the middle of Florida. That's exactly what that would be like. So that's my one quarrel back there with this home. I like that you have some closets here. That one over there is the pantry. You have a little bit of a kind of coat closet situation here. And then here we have the master bedroom. Good size in my opinion, especially again for 1,700 square feet, squeezing in 4 bedrooms. No complaints over here. And then we have the master bathroom. I feel like the master bathroom is a good amount of space here. Like, you have this little area right over here that wasn't used. You have the shower over here. Now the shower, I know that they can change this, but I don't know why they put this kind of situation. I don't think I've seen a master bedroom for a new construction home that has like this kind of tub setup. Anyway, but they're semi-custom builders, so it's you can change some of these things. This is the master closet. I've shown enough houses to enough couples and have seen the reaction of the wives whenever they walk into the master closet. I can't think of a single wife that would walk in there and say, yeah, that works. Buying a home should feel exciting, not overwhelming. That's why when you work with us, you get a free one-on-one Zoom consultation right at the beginning so we can create your game plan together. Every single day, we study the market so you always have the best knowledge and the best deals at your fingertips. If you're buying new construction, the builder pays our commission, not you. Plus, regardless of whether you're buying new construction or resale, you'll get our free buyer's guides and relocation guides and our expert negotiation skills to make sure you win the best terms. Call or text us today to elevate your home buying experience. Let's make this move simple, smart, and fun. Now, back to the action. Up next, we have the plan 1989. I really like the way this home is designed here. I have a couple of things that I don't personally care for, but a lot I do, guys. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a flex room. We're just gonna walk straight into the common areas here. This is very nice in my opinion. I love how they have the living room right over here. It's not compressed, guys. Look at all this space that you have here. And I feel like they even have this pushback a little more than a lot of people would over here. You can create more space in the back. Right over here, we have the dining room. You have enough space to put an even bigger table if you needed it here in this corner. Love the 2 corner windows back there. Here we have the back patio in this house. It is covered. Again, that's an option. This is a semi-custom builder, something that you can add at the design studio. Now, I do want to highlight this little section over here. It has this here, but you can put a china cabinet or something like that. There's so many different things that you can do with this little corner, but it just creates that good amount of space to where if you're coming through here to go outside to the back, it doesn't feel as cramped. So really good job. And another thing I like is that they elevated the ceilings inside of this home, so it just feels a little bigger in here. Now, here we have the kitchen. Of course, not a huge fan of the sink being right over here, but the master bedroom is back there, so they didn't put the sink right over here. So, but this still is a nice big island, and this kitchen feels roomy in here. If I were just to be cooking here, entertaining or whatnot, I have the space that I need back here, and I love how this turns right over here into this 45-degree angle. I didn't like it at first when I first saw this model a year or two ago, but now it actually makes a lot of sense, and I love how that kind of leads us into the master bedroom right over here. And this little section kind of tucked off. Here's the master bedroom, nothing too crazy, nothing too big, nothing too small. It's just the right size in my opinion for a master bedroom. We have the master closet back there as well, and I must say that it's kind of sitting on average on size as well, not the biggest, not the smallest either. And then tucked off right back here, we have the master bathroom. Nice big linen closet, his and her sinks, not too much space up there. We have the shower right over here, and then we have the toilet without its own separate door. KB Home, I don't know, they don't like doing that. Already told you guys that in the video, I think. I don't know why. KB Home, if you're watching this video, Mr. KB Home or Mrs. KB Home, start separating it. People really do like the separation. Anyway, let's keep it moving to the front of the house. I really like this flex room situation. Typically, when you have a flex room, it's like right off the hallway, you know, and there's just like a door into the flex room. But over here, you walk into it back here and it's separated. You can have your office and kind of separate yourself from that side of the house right over there. And I do love that they added this little additional nook area right over here, this little space to kind of create some filing cabinet space or put the TV up or something like that, like they have it set up here. Right over here to the left, we have the laundry room. And then last but not least, we have bedrooms number 2 and 3 with a full bathroom in between them both there.